Hello children. Now I am going to explain you new topic, that is decimal number system in the exponents and powers. And the last topic is decimal number system. Decimal number system. Okay. So in this first we have to know how to write the expanded form of any number. Okay. Suppose here I have taken 47,562. How to write this number in the expanded form? First, give the place values. It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. How to write the expanded form? So first, fourth place value is 10,000. That means 4 zeros. Okay, now. So seventh place value is 1000. 7 into 1000 and 5 place value is 100 plus 6 place value is 10 and 2 place value is 1. Now, can you write this number in the form of exponential? Yes, you know very well. We can express the large numbers using the exponents. Okay, so this one we can write in the form of exponential. That is 4 into, it is the product of 10. So 10 is multiplied how many times here? 4 times. So then we can write it as 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 into. So 1000. 1000 is 10 cube. So 10 into 10 into 10. Right. 5 into 100. So 10 square. 10 into 10. 6 into 10 to the power of 1. Very good. 2 into, so 1. So we have to show this one as in the tens power. Then how can you write this one? Very good, 10 to the power of 0. Observe here, the maximum value here 4 to, here it is decreasing from left to right. Here maximum to 4 to, the value is decreasing here. Then see here, 4 into 10 to the power of 4 and 7 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 0. So this is the exponential form. Okay, so how to express the large numbers in the standard form? So how to write the large numbers in the standard form? Expressing, so do you know standard form? Expressing, okay, I will explain now. Expressing large numbers in the standard form. In the standard form. Okay, right. Now I am writing here one number. So can you tell me? So what is this? So is it possible to read? Yes. No, we can. It is not possible to read and write. Okay, to make it conveniently. Okay, for the large numbers. So for large numbers, we used in the last class. Yes, exactly, exponents. Okay, to make it conveniently, we use powers. We use powers. So observe 59. So 5.9 into 10, 590, 5.9 into 100, 5,900 is 5.9 into 1000. So 59,000, 5.9 into 10,000. If you write like this continuously, okay, so you will get, so one digit is increases. Right. See, so if you observe these all numbers in the form of standard. Okay, so these all numbers are in the form of standard. So how did I say these all numbers in the standard form? Means we can express any number as a decimal number between 1.0 including 10 and 10.0 including 10. 1.0 is multiplied by the power of 10. the power of 10. Whenever you are writing any number in the standard form, compulsory decimal point and it is multiplied by the power of 10. Then only we can say that the number is in the form of standard. Is it clear, children? Now see 5983. Is it a number? Yes. So is this number in the standard form? No. So compulsory the number having decimal point and it is multiplied by the power of 10. So how can we write? So compulsory is 1.0. That means compulsory here left side one digit after we have to keep the point. Then 5.983. So or otherwise, see here 5983 or 0.0. If you write like this, so is there any change of? No, there is no changing. So here the value is exactly same. If you keep point to right side, there is no change. Same number will come. So it is 5983. Okay. So we have to shift this decimal point to the right side. So that is left side. Okay. If you move decimal point to the left side, we have to take positives. So that means positive direction. So you have to take positive. Suppose if you shift the decimal point to the left, you have to give the negative sign. Here we have to shift this decimal point to the left. That is 5 point. Okay. So one digit after decimal point should be kept. That is 5.983 into. So after shifting, so before decimal point, how many digits are there? So here only 3 digits. 3 digits means we have to write 1000. So 1000, 1000. Then we can write this one in the exponential. So that is 10,000. We can write 10 cube. If you take if you take your textbook, there some more problems are there. In example 13, if you observe 5985.3. Okay, so we have to show this decimal number in the standard form. So how to show this number in the form of standard? So how to show? So what it is here? The decimal point you have to write here. That is 5 point. You have to shift the decimal point. 5.9853 into. So it is multiplied by the power of 10. So here 5.9. We shifted this decimal point to the left side. Okay. Decimal point before how many digits are there? After changing here, decimal point before how many digits are there? Here 3 digits. So that is 10,000. Then we can write it as 10 to the power. That is 5.9853 into 10 cube. Power of 10 we have to write. So 5.9853 into 10 cube. Not only that, so see some more examples. 65,950. 65,950. Is there any decimal? Is this number in the form of standard? No. We have to write this one in the form of standard. So if you keep the decimal point after the 0, is there any change? No. So we will say this number is same. 65,950. If after keeping the decimal point also there is no change. But we have to show this number in the form of standard. That's why I have written like this. We have to show this one in the form of standard. So how to change this? Where you have to shift this one? Where to? So from here to how to shift. That is after the before that 5. Then 6.5950 into. Okay, how many digits are there here? 6 after how many digits? 4 digits. That is 10,000. We can write this one as 6.5 Okay, so practice these all example problems and try these problems are also there. Now come to the exercise 13.3. Keep heading and write down in your notebook. So write down exercise 13.3. First one, write the following numbers in the expanded form. 27940. You have to write this number in the expanded form. So you have to expand. Before that, what you have to do? Give the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, so lakhs. 2 into 2 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 zeros you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it right? Yes. Next, 7 place value is 10,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, so 5 digits. Next 4 digits. Then place value of 9 is 1000. 1000 means 3 zeros. And next 4 place value is 100. 4 place value is 100 plus 0 tens place, that is 0 into 10 plus 4 place value is 1. 4 place value is 1. We write this one in the form of exponential. Here 10 is multiplied how many times? 5 times. So we can write it as 10 to the power of 5 plus 7 into 10,000. So here 10 to the power of 4 plus 9 into 1000, 10 cube plus 4 into 100, 10 square, 0 into 10. So okay, its value is 0. Okay, that is 0 into 10 to the power of 1, 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So this is the expanded form. Is it clear, children? Right. So these all problems are very easy. Yes. So one more problem I tell you. Second one, that is 3006,194. So how we write this one? Same procedure. First give the place values, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So expanded form is 3 place values 10 lakhs. So you have to write how many digits? 3 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next 0 place value lakhs. 0 into. So lakhs, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Next 0. Again 0 came. 0 place value is 10,000. So 10, 4 zeros. After that 6 place value is 1000. So 1000. So next place value of 1 is 100 and place value of 9 is 10 and the place value of 4 is 1's place, that is 4 into 1. Now write this one in the form of exponential. 3 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now 10 to the power of 6. 0 into, so 10 to the power of 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 into 10 cube. Very good. 1 into 100 is 10 square plus 9 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Right. So this is the expanded form. So in the childhood days onwards you are learning how to write the number to expanded to short form. So similarly remaining all problems, that is this exercise 13.3. So remaining to 3, 4, 5, that is 2806,196 and 120,719, 200,680. These numbers you have to write in the expanded form. Okay, children. Second one, see, find the number from each of the following expanded form. Expanded form to number. How to write that? So expanded form to number. So short form. Expanded to short form we have to write. So number we have to write. What is the expanded form here? 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 into 10 cube plus 0 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay, so 8 into 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of means 10 is multiplied 4 times. Yes, 10 to the power of 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so you will get 10,000. So the value is 10,000. 6 into 10 cube. 10 cube value is 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. This 1000. 4 in next 0 into 10 square is 100 plus 4 into 10 to the power of is 10 and 5 into 10 to the power of 0 value is 1. Right. 8 into 10,000. 80,000 plus 6 into 1000. 6,000. 0 into 100 is 0 plus 4 into 10 40 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Now, so we have to add this all. 80,000 next to 6,000 0. Okay, so here zeros will come. Next 40 and next 5. So after adding you will get 5 4 0 6 8. So what is the number after the expansion to short form? What you got? 86045. How to read this one? 86,045. 86,045. So okay ma. So BCD problem solving, how to solve yourself. The second question. So BCD problems. So expanded to short form you have to write. Express the following numbers in standard form. Third question. Now write down in your notebook. Express the following numbers in standard form. That means the numbers are not in the standard. You have to write these numbers in the standard. Okay. Why we are writing this all? So if large numbers are there, those numbers are not possible to read and write. For that, convenient to make it convenient, use the exponents. Right. So here 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this number we have to write in the form of standard. So how to write? Yes, very good. Exactly how to keep the decimal point. So if we keep 5.0, is there any change? No. 5 into. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can write just 10 to the power of 7. So another 5.0 also we can write this one. 5 into 10 to the power of 7. Similarly, 70. So okay, here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 70 lakhs. So these 70 lakhs we can write in the standard form. Simply you can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6. Okay, suppose if the number is like 3, 1, 8, 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right. How can we write? We have to keep the decimal point and is the multiplied by the power of 10. So here there is no decimal point. If you suppose you give the decimal point after 0, okay, then what you have to do? You have to shift this decimal point to here. Okay. So after the decimal point before, how many digits after decimal point? That one you have to write as the power of 10. So 3.18650000 into how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of 9. So or otherwise we can write simply 3.1865 into 10 to the power of 9. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. See, fourth one, 390873. 390873. So how to write this one in a standard? So we have to keep the decimal point 3.90873 into so point after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5. So next fifth one 39087.8. Look here, already this number is a decimal number. Okay, we have to convert this one in a standard form. How to write this one? First we have to change this decimal number to left side. That is 3.90878 into point before how many digits? 4. So 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4. Sixth one 3908.78. 3908.78. So already here the 2 is a decimal number. Okay, point is there. We have to show it is multiplied by the power of 10. So we have to shift this decimal point here. That is 3.90878 into decimal point before how many digits? 3 digits. We can write 10 cube. Is it clear, children? Very good. So next copy that remaining fourth question. First one you copy. Okay, ma. So first one in the fourth problem A, the distance between Earth and Moon is. So what is that? The distance between Earth and Moon is here. What you have to do? You have to express the number appearing in the following statement in the standard form. So this statement we have to show in the standard form. Here the number is 384000. Okay, 000 meters. So how to express this number in a standard form? So compulsory the decimal point and is the power of multiplied by the power of 10. Okay, so there is no decimal point. So we have to keep here 3 point here. So here m value is greater than 1. So that is the 10.0 or 1.0. So like that, including and the power of 10 should be there. Here 3.84 into power of 10 we need. So we kept here decimal point. The decimal, suppose if the decimal point here is there. So decimal point before how many digits are there? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 10 to the power of 8 meters. What is the distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Using the powers, it is easy to read now. Yes. Right. Similarly, second one, speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light. So what is the speed of light in vacuum? Is 30000 meters per second. So decimal point you have to write compulsory, that is 3 point. Okay, so 3 point or point after all zeros are there, then we can write it as 3 into. So how many digits are there? 6, 7, 8. That is 3 into 8. 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. What is the speed of light in vacuum? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. C1, diameter earth. Diameter of the earth. So that is 1275600 meters. So what is the diameter? Here see 1.2756 into, tell me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 10 to the power of 6 meters. So 1.2756 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. 6, yes? 7 is there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, here 7. 10 to the power of 7 meters. Okay, see, D1, diameter of the sun. Diameter of the sun. What is the diameter of the sun here? 1, 400, 000, 000 meters. Okay, so how to write this one in the standard form? 1.4 into, so count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9 meters. Okay, so similarly, see E problem. In a galaxy, there are on an average 100,000,000,000,000 stars. That many stars are there. So we have to show that stars in the standard form. So what given? The average of stars. An average of stars in a galaxy is 100,000,000,000 stars are there. Okay, so we have to write these stars in the expanded form. That is 1 into. So that how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 10 to the power of 11 stars are there. Okay. Next see 11 F1. The universe is estimated to be about 12,000,000,000,000 years old. Okay, so we have to write the years of universe. The years of universe. The years of universe is 12,000,000,000 and 000 years old. Okay, so this many years. Okay, we have to write this one in the standard form. 1.2 into, very good, tell me first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 to the power of 10 years old. So 1.2 into 10 to the power of 10 years old. So this is the years of universe. Okay, children. So next G problem. See, G problem, that is the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be some number given. Okay, so we have to find the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. So here G1, the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way, from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is equal to 300,000. Okay, again 000,000,000,000,000 meters. Okay, so here we have to write this one in the standard 3 into. So how many digits? Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So is it? Yes. 3 into 10 to the power of 20 meters. That is the standard form of that. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. And see H1 60230 and so on. Molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 grams. Okay, with number of molecules we have to write. That is number of molecules in a drop of water. In a drop of water weighing, so how many grams? Weighing 1.8 grams. So what is the number? 60230 and 00. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to write this number in the standard. That is 6. So how to write this one? 6.023 into. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So what is that? 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is 10 to the power of 22. So what is that one? So is the weight of a number of molecules in a drop of water weighing 1.8 meters. Our standard form is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22. Okay children. So remaining I, J problems are there. Okay. So that one also I explain now. The earth has some cubic kilometers of sea water. So what is that? The earth has sea water. How many cubics? So cubic kilometer, that is 1,353,000,000. So how to write this one in the standard form? So 1.353 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 10 to the power of 9 meters. Okay. Kilometer cubes. Okay na children? Last one, that is J. The population of India was about 1027,000,000 in March 2001. So this number we have to show in the form of standard 1027,000,000. This population in March 2001. Now, so we have to write this number in the standard 1.027 into. So to the power of 10, how to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the power of 9 is the standard form of the population of India. Okay children. So these all are the using the powers we have written large numbers conveniently. Okay. So to make this all large numbers conveniently, we use the powers. So this is the main use of exponents. Okay. So how to write the standard form? So decimal point and including it is multiplied by the power of 10. Then only we can say that the number is in the form of standard. Okay children, so up to now we have completed all the topics in this chapter, exponents and powers. Okay, bye.